Is your Linux desktop randomly freezing or stuttering? Whether you're using Ubuntu, Debian, or another Linux distribution, I'll show you the most common causes and how to troubleshoot them step by step. The first thing to check is CPU usage. If a process is consuming most of your CPU, it can make your desktop feel slow or unresponsive. Next, check your RAM usage. If your system runs out of available memory, it starts using swap, which is much slower than RAM and can cause noticeable stuttering. A nearly full disk can affect system performance. Make sure your main partition still has enough free space. High disk activity can also cause short freezes. These tools help identify if a process is constantly reading from or writing to the disk. If your CPU and memory look normal, desktop animations or visual effects may be the cause, especially on systems with limited resources. Disable desktop animations, reduce visual effects, and use a lightweight desktop environment, such as XFCE, if needed. If the issue started recently or your desktop environment is behaving unexpectedly, restarting the display manager can often resolve temporary problems without rebooting the entire system. Most Linux desktop stuttering issues are caused by high CPU usage, insufficient memory, low disk space, heavy disk activity, or desktop effects. By checking each of these areas, you can usually identify the problem and improve your system's performance.